What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I lost 70 pounds in 5 weeks. I am 5 weeks postpartum, and it has been a journey. I'm going to share with you guys what I think has helped me shed the baby weight fast. I was like 120 something. I was in the 120s, and by the end of my pregnancy, I was like close to 200 pounds. I literally stopped looking at the scale because it was making me so upset that I was gaining weight so rapidly, and even my doctor was telling me like you're gaining too much weight, and it was just a whole different process for me because I had never gained that much weight that fast. So I was going through an identity crisis for sure. I was definitely going through an identity crisis. I would step on the scale one day and I would be like 10 pounds more than I was the previous day, and I was so confused. So to be very transparent with you guys, I had preeclampsia, and what that was doing was making me gain weight rapidly because a lot of the weight was water weight. So maybe like 5 days after I gave birth, I like immediately lost like 30 pounds because a lot of that was just water weight that had to drain out of my system after pregnancy. First thing that I think really helped me to shed a lot of that weight was to breastfeed or pump. And what that does is it sheds a lot of calories. So by breastfeeding, you shed like 500 calories a day, like a lot of calories when you're constantly pumping and breastfeeding. It takes a lot out of your body. Now, I know that is something that not everybody can do, but believe me, if you want to lose that baby weight fast, go ahead and breastfeed. That will be very, 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 very helpful for you. And I want to do a entirely different video about my breastfeeding journey because it has been an ordeal trying to keep my milk supply up and just trying to, keep my baby fed. I do supplement with formula sometime, but for the most part, I want to just give her my milk for the time being. So the next thing I think helped me a lot is to get outside and walk. So I take my baby on walks around the neighborhood, and I think this really, really helped me a lot. It also helped me with PPD, postpartum depression, just like being outside in the sunlight, in the sunshine. It really, really does wonders for your system, and I think that helped me to shed a lot of the weight as well. I'm not 6 weeks postpartum yet, so I'm not able to do like workouts and like really work out and have a workout routine or anything yet because I'm still healing. But the walks definitely, definitely help if you want like some low maintenance exercise while you are in the healing process. Another thing that helped me lose the weight very quickly was to be in a calorie deficit. And honestly, to be very transparent with you guys, I just was not hungry. I just wasn't really thinking about eating. Like when I was pregnant, like I was constantly hungry. I wanted to eat all day long. Like that was like my pastime. You have that excuse where I'm eating for two. So you're kind of like taking advantage of that and you're just eating, 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 eating. And when my baby finally came home, she was in the NICU for 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. And when she finally came home, I was just like, I need to buckle down. I need to learn how to be a mom. And that was my only priority. Like, all day long, I'm just focused on her, and I wasn't focused on food. So I would go like without eating as much as I would when I was pregnant, or even before I was pregnant. I like barely ate, honestly. And that's not something that I want to preach or share or teach you guys or anything like that. But I'm just being truthful with you guys. Like, I was not thinking about food. Like, food was the last thing on my mind. I'm going to make another video talking about what I think helped prevent stretch marks because I don't have any stretch marks or anything from this pregnancy. But one of the things that I think really, really helped my stomach and everything to go down was to put on that binder. Okay. Like, natural births, C-sections, whatever the type of birth that you have, put on that binder immediately after you give birth. Like your stomach is going to go down like rapidly. And I wore my binder 24/7 all day long. I slept in my binder, I wore it, and it really, really helped. My stomach went down like within like probably before I even left the hospital. Like I was in the hospital a week after I gave birth. I kept that binder on. I requested one from the hospital, and it's not like the best binder in the world, the one from the hospital, but it gets the job done. And then when I got home, I ordered a binder off of Amazon that really, really worked well. And I love that binder. Like it keeps everything in place and it just made me feel more secure and it definitely helped my stomach to go down. So wear your binder, okay? If you're pregnant or just gave birth, put on that binder and it will make a world of difference. Yeah, those are the main things that I think really helped me to lose the weight. And now I'm getting back into the swing of things. I'm getting back to work. We have restocked a lot of your favorite hair growth products on miriamhampton.com. I've been getting so many messages daily, daily, daily asking about the restock. And I restocked some of your favorites, the Shebe Infused Hair Growth Oil. We restocked the Maximum Strength Hair Growth Moisturizer. So yeah, we're coming back and we're coming back bigger than ever. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And hit the bell so the notifications come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton at MH Hair Care. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.